I'm Lily Holden, and you're listening to Meditate with Lily. Today, we're focusing on a simple 5-minute meditation practice. And the key word here is practice. Meditation, like any other skill, needs to be developed. And the only way to develop that skill is by practicing it. So, throughout this meditation, if you feel your mind starting to wander at all, I want you to practice gently shifting your focus back to the sound of my voice or the sensation of your breath. Whether you're new to meditation or trying to get back into it for the new year, I'd like to welcome you and commend you for taking this moment for yourself. And whenever you're ready, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and let's get started. Begin by closing your eyes or softening your gaze and just letting your eyes rest. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently and steadily exhale through your mouth. We're going to do that one more time. A slow, deep inhale, and we're going to hold it for a bit and see if you can feel your lungs and chest stretching. And a long, steady exhale. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground or your hands resting in your lap or by your side. Now I want you to allow your breath to flow naturally. There's no need to change it. We're just going to notice it. Feel the rise and fall of your chest or belly with each inhale and exhale. And focus on that rhythm for just a moment. Meditation is all about being in the present moment. And one way to do this is through grounding practices, which involve focusing on what is happening right now. Take a moment to tune into the sounds around you. Maybe there's a faint hum of traffic outside, or birds chirping, or even just the sound of your own breathing. Just notice these sounds as they come and go. Again, if your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly okay. When you notice it happening, gently bring your attention back to the sensation of your breath or the sounds around you. Each time you do this, you're practicing mindfulness and strengthening your focus. Now I'd like you to focus on the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your head resting on your shoulders, the rise and fall of your chest, the gentle contact of your hands with your lap or the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your legs and feet, grounded and steady. If you noticed any tension in any areas of your body, see if you can release it with your exhale. Allow your body to feel soft, supported, and at ease. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. As we near the end of this practice, I want you to take a moment to thank yourself for carving out this time for mindfulness. This simple act of pausing and breathing is a gift to yourself. Gently bring some movement back to your fingers and toes. Open your eyes if they've been closed, and take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when you started. Do you feel calmer, more stable, relaxed? If you're comfortable sharing in the comments, I would love your insight. I'd like to thank my recent supporters, Sean, Maitreyi, and Cynthia. I strive to keep my content and resources free, always. However, the tools that I use are not always free. If you'd like to show your support for the work that I do, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/meditatewithlily. Once again, I'm Lily Holden, and this is Meditate with Lily.